how to save a design on Canva to Google Drive directly on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now choose your design or create one from here, and now after you go to your design, for example this one, now go to the top corner, click on share and go down, click on more right here. Now scroll down until you find the Google Drive option here. Click on it and everything will be done from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.